Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to analyze gold for your gold trade next week, weekly gold analysis. For last week, I already mentioned my gold weekly analysis. Gold was dropped to the 1980 level, and my second target is 1950 level. So I was mentioned last week my gold weekly analysis. If you didn't watch my video last week, go through there, watch that video. So that's the this week gold weekly analysis. I am forecasting gold is still continue to downside. 1950 level is my target, and after that it will be go to the upside. 2050 is my long term target. So I am moved to the line chart. I am in daily gold chart. You can see the left side huge resistance. It will be the support in the right side. That's the 1950 55 level. That's the technical picture. I have drop to the 1950 and go to the upside. That's the technical view, technical picture I have. So let's move to the economic data. What will going on regarding US dollar? You will touch with the economic data if you are gold trading. This is the Forex live mention. US dollar jumps on PMI but later gives it back. So last Friday US dollar PMI was released, and that was the positive effect for US dollar. That you can see the Forex factory is the US dollar manufacturing PMI was released last Friday yesterday. That was a positive effect economic data for US dollar. That is was the help to gold drop to last week. So sell pressure on continue last week. That was the economic data I have. Let's see what is the economic data you will touch with the next week your gold trading. So next week Tuesday, that's the CB consumer confidence is there US dollar. That's three impact economic data. That's the consumer confidence will be increased. That is positive for US dollar, and gold again drop. That's the next week Tuesday, and next week Thursday. That's the unemployment claims they are regarding US dollar, and the GDP quietly is their unemployment claims will be dropped and GDP will be positive. That is also positive for US dollar, and gold dropped again. That's the you will touch with this economic data if you are gold trading. That's economic data is the drive market. That's the next week you will touch with this high impact volatility economic data. That is I am mentioning. So let's move technical analysis on next week your gold trading. So I am move to the 4 hour chart. So 4 hour chart I am seeing pattern like this type of pattern is was ranging gold. This is the candle I am seeing. Gold was ranging this type of candle pattern is the price is going on. This is the pattern I am seeing technical picture. So left side resistance is there, it will be support, and price move to the first move, second move, and third move will be completed in next week and go to the upside, and my long term target is 2050. So there's a left side strong buy zone. That's a strong bias in here. I am marking yellow color. This buy zone will be supported in 1955 level to the buy gold. So drop to the below zone and buy again. So that's the IMC the technical picture goal, and continue to the upside to 2050 2070 is my long term goal. Target is there. So you will forecast next week drop to the below. So sell pressure is more, and drop to the below is to 1955 level, and your buy zone is there goal 1950 55 level is your goal buy zone. That's the seeing. I am technical view. My technical eye is seeing this type of forecast next week goal. So you will get the money management well and get the trade from a smaller time frame confirmation. My telegram link is below for accurate goal signals. For thank you very